altogether, the investment capacity of the members of Planet of Finance is almost $500 billion. NFTs are becoming the tools that will be tradable in a safe and quick way. Our idea is to offer to our members within the next 18 months something that is digital marketplace.
So welcome to Norman Alex's latest podcast, where I'll be speaking with Olivier Collombin, who is the founder. Hi, Olivier, the founder of Planet of Finance. So Olivier, perhaps you can start off by introducing yourself and telling us about your background and what inspired you to develop Planet of Finance.
Yes, with pleasure. I have been a private banker for 25 years in Switzerland, working in a Geneva private bank called Lombard & Company. And I left the bank in 2015 in order to set up my own company, which is called Planet of Finance. And that is a social network that is focused on finance and more specifically on wealth management.
Okay, can you tell us a little bit about the community that you have on the platform and what you're trying to achieve with the platform?
Yes, we are talking to two types of profiles or two types of members. First, the private investors, who are mostly wealthy individuals who are having around 2 million of investable assets on average, but the range is between, let's say, $1 and $25 million of investable assets. And we are welcoming on the platform also private investors, professional investors, who are mostly private bankers, asset managers, financial advisors, who are on average managing $100 million. So those two communities, professional and private, are talking each other on the platform. The private investors who are looking for advisors and the advisors who are looking for new clients.
Right, so if I'm a businessman and I sell my company for $5 million, instead of going from bank to bank on the high street, meeting private bankers that I don't know, I can go onto your platform and have the possibility of contacting financial advisors directly.
That's it. It's somewhere between LinkedIn and Tinder in the finance sector.
And in addition to that, I think you're starting to look at club deals and how your platform can be used for putting together club deals. Can you just tell us a little bit about that?
So trust is key in this field. And if you are looking for investments or you are looking for sharing a project with others, because you want to create a company, you want to buy a property, but you don't want to be the only one investing in it. You're looking for 5-6 other investors. It's something that you can post directly on the platform under club deals and describe the project and say, well, I put 1 million in the project and I need 5 more to launch the project, and I'm looking for the other investors on Planet of Finance. That's you can make a first pre-selection of potential co-investors.
And Olivier, the obvious question, was it not possible to do that within the bank where you were working?
Of course, but it's, to my opinion, it's not efficient enough because you're depending on the connections your financial advisor has. So he will be talking to a limited number of potential co-investors, maybe his clients, maybe his friends, but his network won't be as large as the Planet of Finance community is, because altogether the investment capacity of the members of Planet of Finance is almost $500 billion. So if you are talking to Planet of Finance as a whole, you are talking to a potential of $500 billion US dollars. Even within a bank, you never talk to all your colleagues at the same time. You're talking to your people in your staff and your friends and so on. So it's a question of efficiency. Yeah.
And obviously there's a lot of talk at the moment about blockchain, about NFTs, non-fungible tokens. How do you see those areas impacting private banking, and how do you see your platform evolving in those areas?
So one of the projects we have in the pipeline is to offer a marketplace to our members where they will be able to exchange non-tangible assets. And maybe this will be developed within the metaverse, because metaverse is maybe the missing link between physical interactions and purely digital interactions, like a trading platform where you have no counterparts or no human counterpart. So metaverse is maybe something more immersive, in which you can really interacting with human beings, even if they are represented by an avatar. And within this environment, NFTs are becoming the tools that will be tradable in a safe and quick way. Technology is meeting the human being comprehension or acceptance. And our idea is to offer to our members within the next 18 months something that is digital marketplace.
And I know, Olivier, you've spoken in the past about what you called compliance passports. How do you see that evolving?
I thought 5 years ago that it was quite simple to promote that kind of tools, but even though the need is there, I mean, everybody needs to have access to those informations within transactions, or if you want to open an account, or but I think it's a little bit too early. It's a little bit too early, but we will get there. We will get all this information on the. It's even for health data. You've seen that 5 years ago it was unacceptable to gather all this health information within the same tool. Now you see that the pandemic has accelerated a lot the not only technology but also the people's acceptance about this kind of tools. So it's, sure. I think it will be the same for finance. What is the event that will accelerate the process? I don't know yet.
Okay, well, Olivier, thank you very much for telling us about Planet of Finance and sharing your ideas about technology and how it will impact private banking. And we'll leave a link to the platform at the end of the podcast, together with your contact details. So thank you very much, Olivier. Keep safe. Bye.
Thank you. Same to you.